For today, still working with ratios, just looking at different ways that we can ask questions involving them. All right, so for this first one here, we got Robyn's class has 22 students. 9 of the students in the class are girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? The math that you have to do on any of these ratio problems is simple math. A lot of it is reading carefully and paying attention to what the problem is asking you for. In this case, it's asking for boys to girls. It gives us 9 girls. It also gives us 22 students, which doesn't really go with the boys or the girls. So we got a little extra step. For a math problem, the students are either going to be boys or girls. So if we got 22 students and 9 of them are girls, how many are left to be boys? 13. So for boys to girls, again, order is important on this. Boys is first, that's 13. Girls, they gave us, that's 9. 13's prime, so we can't simplify that. And that would be it. All right, any questions? All right, so let's look at another then. Go ahead and give this one a try. The zoo has 4 zebras, 6 giraffes, 7 monkeys, and 3 lions. What is the ratio of zebras to all the animals? Make sure to simplify if possible. All right, who thinks I got it? One-fourth is incorrect. 1/5 is correct. All right, so it's zebras to all the animals. Zebras right there, so we got 4. All the animals. 3 lions plus 7 monkeys, and that's 10 animals, plus 6 giraffes, that's 16 animals. Hey, guess what? Zebras are animals also. So that is 20 animals. So our ratio initially would be 4 to 20. 4 goes into both of those. So we divide them by 4. We get 1 to 5. Any questions on that one? Y'all that had 1 to 4, you got to include the zebras too. They're part of the total, okay? All right, so some of the problems we'll do today also will have a table instead. It still works the same exact way. This question's asking what ratio represents the number of blue sweaters to the total number of sweaters. So all we have to do is look. How many blue sweaters? 3. There's our blue sweaters. For the total sweaters, That's all of them, right? Including the blue. So we add them up. Yeah, that gives us 15. What goes into both those? 3. So we divide each of those by 3. And just like the one before, we get 1 to 5. Any questions? Not so bad, right? It's reading carefully. It's looking at what it's asking you for. That's all you need to do. Go ahead and try this one. This one's a little bit trickier. I want to see how y'all do on it. All right, who thinks they got it? 75 to 127 is correct. All right, so it's not a whole lot more difficult. It's just different than some of the other ones we've done because it says cupcakes and cookies. So to start with, we got to have both of them. That's where the 75 comes from, 50 plus 25. And then it's to total number of items sold. So just like the ones before, that's everything. So including the cookies and cupcakes. Okay? Again, the math on this, none of this math is hard math to do. It's maybe adding up a couple things, possibly dividing when you're simplifying, right? It's not that's not the challenging part. The challenging part is always making sure you're answering what the question's asking you for. Okay?